Alright, it's now 3:30-ish. It's getting pretty gusty. We're still not expecting the worst of it apparently until like 6 o'clock, so this isn't too terrible. I'm going to the middle of the court so I don't get hit by any branches. A lot of debris. It's not really raining right now. There's some branches down over there. Yeah. It's misting out here at the moment, but as far as rain is concerned, hasn't really poured in, gosh, probably a couple hours now. Some down branches. Supposedly they're, oh, well, that sucks. They lost a hunk of their tree. So, apparently there are a couple streets in the neighborhood that have actually flooded, but nothing too terrible on our street. Just a lot of wind. You can see some big down branches down that way. Woo! Let's go for a walk. Not going far. Looks like somebody lost a hunk of their fence over here. More tree branch sections. Oh, they're losing some siding up there. Try to steer clear of the trees. Yeah, it's a lot of debris. So yeah, it's 3:30-ish. Nothing too terrible out here just yet. Yeah, they're holding their fence up with rope. But according to the news, we aren't expecting the worst until somewhere between 6 and 9 o'clock. So this is, I guess, as close to what you would call the calm before the storm as we're going to get right now. Just windy. Oh, that tree's got a good wiggle going on. That, unfortunately, is our main problem right there. We have some really tall trees in this area that are just looking to come down. Fortunately, over the past couple of years, we've had some hurricanes and people have been smart enough to take those big tall trees down, but there's still a couple. Yeah, it's getting pretty gusty out here. Yeah. Don't know what else we can really expect right now. Our house is still intact, so there's not too much going on. I'll give another update in a little while if something happens. In the meantime, yeah, I'll give random spontaneous little updates on Twitter if anybody's interested. VA Bookworm 87. That's me. You can find me. Alright. Yeah, I'll talk to y'all later.